Hi, my name is Scott Grimes. I'm here with Lynn Lobe. We represent Cardlytics based in Atlanta-based Georgia. About 3 years ago, we created an industry in the U.S. that we call transaction-based marketing. What does that mean? It means three things. Number one, we bring offers to consumers directly through their financial institutions' electronic channels, whether that's online banking, mobile, or email. Second, every offer we bring to a consumer is targeted with each consumer's individual transactions. So importantly, we're bringing consumers offers from retailers based on how they spend every day. It's valuable and relevant. It's not spam. And as a result, offers in our system perform 50 to 100 times better than what you typically see on the internet. Third, every offer that we bring to a consumer has an economic incentive from the merchant that the consumer earns if they go and take advantage of the offer. Now, importantly, the consumer doesn't receive the economic incentive at the point of sale. Instead, they receive it as a statement credit back to their account. So I'm talking a little slowly. She's almost logged on. Back to their account. So during the month, we accumulate the different incentives that a consumer earned. At the end of the month, we then go add those incentives up and pay the consumer a single reward from the bank that goes into the bank's rewards program. It can be in the form of cash back, points, or miles. In essence, bringing consumers hundreds of dollars of rewards per year with economics outside of the banking system. And we're up and running. On this screen is Lynn's checking account or current account. It happens to be with Regions Bank, the number 6 bank in the U.S., very large in the southeast United States. We show Lynn's current account to much of the free world. We've set up a very easy user experience. If you notice, on January 24th, Lynn made a purchase at La Fonda. That's a Mexican restaurant in Atlanta. Underneath it, we placed an offer from McDonald's. Earn 15% cash back if you shop at McDonald's. McDonald's targeted Lynn because they know that she's active in the fast food category but has not been shopping at McDonald's. Now, you'll notice that Lynn went and clicked the offer. She expanded it. We call this activating the offer. It's important for two reasons. First of all, when she expands the offer, it gives the consumer the things they need to know to take advantage of the offer. When it's valid for what conditions are required to earn the reward. The second reason expanding the offer is important is once it's expanded, we now record that data so that we can report back to the advertiser that the marketing we did in this bank channel drove a sale in the store. At this point, all Lynn has to do now is take her debit card, go to McDonald's, make a purchase. She automatically earns the reward. There's no printing coupons, no going to websites. It's a very easy user experience. Go back to the widget real quick. You'll notice in the top right of the screen is another piece of content that we bring to the online account history. This is basically bringing the summary of the rewards program to the consumer. It has a couple of important pieces of information for the customer. First of all, you can see in this case, Lynn has earned $89.12 of rewards over the past 3 months. Second, she has 7 new offers. And third, she's activated 30% of her offers. You also see below that is a button that says go to the rewards summary. The reward summary is additional content that we bring to the online banking site that brings all of the consumer's offers to a single page. While consumers initially use the service by seeing offers underneath their transactions and selecting those, after a customer has earned 2 or 3 rewards over the first month or 2 of using the service, they tend to begin going to the reward summary more. They can quickly see all of their offers. They can see the offers that have been activated to shop. And importantly, in the right-hand column, they can see the rewards they've earned that will add up to the rewards that they get to the end of the month. People that start using this reward summary, we see significant increase in online usage. It goes up about 20% per month. And we know as online usage goes up, account spending and attrition improves. So that's the online banking experience. Very easy user experience. Customers engage with it very rapidly. You know, the reason we built this system is we saw in the U.S. 3 things going on. Number one, the electronification of payments, but nobody was really using that payment data. Number 2, the growth in online banking, which in the U.S. became bigger than Google, but people weren't treating it as a marketing channel. And number 3, banks really struggling to provide valuable rewards, but really not having the economics to do it. The economic point is really the point that's most important in building this channel. It's all about securing multi-million-dollar budgets from advertisers to fund the rewards for customers. And if you look at where we've made our investments, 98% of our technology is in building the targeting and reporting capabilities that allow advertisers to pick this channel over others. We can't go through it all in today's demo, but this is a picture of OMS that shows how we constructed a campaign for Gap. Any of our advertisers can select segments of consumers based on where the customer spent, when they spent, what merchant or merchant categories they spent, and how much they spent to develop very precisely segmented campaigns. So you can see an example here. We initially identified people that shop at any of the Gap brands. We then zeroed in on people who are shopping as Gap customers, and we developed a segment where Gap was focused on trying to get them into the store more frequently. Over on the right-hand side, we are identifying different segments of consumers for Gap. For example, people that were buying kids' clothing, we brought them a different offer and a different unique message. Jump over to the performance management. But the point being, we bring to advertisers a degree of segmenting and reportability they don't see in any other channel. The other thing advertisers have been conditioned to like in online media is to see every single minute who's getting their offers, how they're responding. They do that through the performance dashboard, but importantly, what we report to advertisers is not just clicks and offer impressions. We show in real time sales being driven into the advertiser stores. You know, at the end, it all comes back to the results. 2010 was a great year. We have 15 million households live in the channel today in the U.S. With the implementations underway right now, we'll have over 60 million households in the U.S. by the end of 2010. It was a great year for us, and we thank you for the opportunity to introduce Cardlytics to Europe in 2011.